everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 days of what I eat in the week. Not every day is the same because sometimes I eat a little bit more, sometimes I eat a little bit less, but I hope you enjoyed today's video and let me show you what I eat throughout the week. So starting off with Monday, I decided to have for breakfast some pancakes, and pancakes are probably one of my favorite breakfast options to have. I'm just having vanilla protein pancakes with some chocolate chips that I added to it, and then I'm also having some fruit on the side as well. Moving on to lunch, I'm having some vegan chicken nuggets with some banana ketchup and then a salad that I made with some peanut sauce and some quinoa. I decided to make a smoothie before dinner time and I loaded it up with a bunch of veggies and fruit. I also added some protein powder and then some coconut water in here and just blended it all up. For tonight, my mom made dinner and she made japchae noodles. It's basically a stir fry with a bunch of noodles and veggies. It's a Korean dish and it's one of my favorite things to eat. Also, heads up everyone, I add green onion to everything.
For way too long, and now it hurts just that much more. There comes a point when you realize that
Moving on to Tuesday, for breakfast I'm having a sesame bagel with some vegan cream cheese. This is onion and chives. I'm also having some green grapes and half a mango on the side.
I found the courage today. So please don't ask me to stay, 'cause I can't keep holding on to you and me, but it's so hard to see.
I made another smoothie today and it consists of carrots, banana, mango, strawberry, peaches, vanilla yogurt in there, and then I also put some protein powder and then some chia seeds. So good. Now for lunch, I'm roasting up some asparagus and some broccoli in the oven. I'm also having some black rice, and then I have these delicious tofu nuggets that I got from Whole Foods. These are my favorite things to eat in the entire world. I have no clue how to stop myself, and again, favorite thing to eat probably throughout this week. On Wednesday, I decided to have pancakes again with some peppermint tea. So for lunch today, I am going to be having some takeout tofu that I got. They bathe it in chili sauce and it's so flipping good. I also got some seaweed salad, probably one of my favorite things to eat. Love it. And then I also had some leftover avocado that I just want to eat before it goes bad as well. For dinner tonight, my mom made some sinigang. Sinigang is basically sour soup. It's a Filipino dish and it's one of my favorite dishes. My mom made it with some tofu and a couple of vegetables. I have no clue what these vegetables are, and lots of ginger. And then I'm also having it with some rice. I love rice. Rice is life.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world or write a book when I'm there.
As you can see, breakfast is looking a little bit light today. I just wasn't feeling very hungry this morning and I was like, I still have to put something in my body before I work out. So I'm just gonna enjoy my smoothie here and do my workout. Cheers, everyone. It's very good. For lunch today, I had a picnic in the park with one of my soul sisters. It was so nice to see her. We got some takeout from one of our favorite local vegan restaurants. I had a burger and some fries and we had dessert. And again, it was just so nice to catch up with her and see her. Hello everyone. I just woke up from a nap yet again, and I'm hungry. So I made a little pick-me-up snack. I made a slice of avocado toast with some pico de gallo sauce on it, and then I'm just having a couple green grapes on the side, and this is my lovely snack. Okay, I don't even know what the heck happened, but I guess I forgot to film dinner. I don't even remember what I had, but let's move on to Friday, shall we?
Trying to show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B.
Okay, I have to have some avocado toast at least once throughout the week or else I am not Elena. I decided to pair my avocado toast with some pineapple, so I cut up some pineapple. I'm topping my avocado toast with some tomatoes and then I'm sprinkling on the Everything Bagel seasoning. I got this from Costco. I think it's the Canadian version and it is so flippin' good.
With the music, you my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come and talk to me? Jodeci, trying to show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy.
I was thinking for lunch that I want to do this chickpea tuna sandwich that I saw on Instagram. This man is making tuna salad out of chickpeas. I'm pretty sure I have all the ingredients. I got all of this and soy sauce. Yeah, I got all of this. I'm gonna make this. I have everything that recipe was asking for, so let's go. The recipe asked me to mash my chickpeas. I'm taking my mashed potato pusher here and just, this is mine mashed up. It kind of looks like tuna if you look at it from far away.
Song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Let me know what's on your mind. Let me hold you down. I promise there's a future if you grind with me. Crazy and love like J&B. It feels good when you say my name. Make me wanna rock the boat. I ain't trying to float. I'm trying to drown. Wanna go deep.
So I already cut up all my veggies and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna add my condiments. I didn't really explain ratios or the exact measurement when it came to the condiments. So I'm just gonna eyeball it and basically see what tastes good. I know that I like my tuna salad more creamier, so I'm probably gonna add more mayo to mine, but we're just gonna roll with it and see how it goes. Some nutritional yeast. I'm gonna use up all the mayo that I have left in this jar. Okay, this is how it turned out. It's very colorful. It's beautiful, actually. I'm quite happy the way the presentation is going.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep.
I just made myself a little snack here. I'm having an apple and I'm having basically vegan Nutella, this spread. It's called Oh Sesame. You can really taste the sesame and the tahini in the spread. I think they just use cacao powder and then sesame and tahini, and that's basically what's really inside the spread. It's so good. For dinner tonight, I kept it simple. I just made a simple salad and I used that chickpea salad that I made for lunch as my source of protein. I loaded up the salad with a bunch of veggies, some pumpkin seeds and hemp hearts, and I found this really delicious poppy seed dressing from Mother Raw, and it's so good. I highly recommend this salad dressing. Instead of liquor on my tight jeans, and it's never been as easy as when you're lying with me. I just up in these sheets, the city. Alrighty folks, that is what I ate in the week. Well, this week. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And take care. See you next time.
That's all I need.